Hey Ming, I thought there were gonna be chicks at this party.
Yeah, but they're bringing pizza and they're also gonna have
Well, dude, guys, they'll be here.
Hey guys.
Hey, did you bring the?
Hey Ming, Joe's not a girl, and I
Called you for the first time yesterday. I finally found the missing part of me. I felt so close, but you were far away. Left me without anything to say. Now I'm speechless, over the edge, I'm just breathless. I never thought that I'd catch this love bug again. Hopeless, head over heels in the moment. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love bug again.